Hello students, our lesson for today is the basic economic problem. So what is basic economic problem we are going to see in this lesson. So first topic for this lesson is factors of production. What are factors of production? Many of you right now must be thinking that you have studied this topic in business. Yes, you are right. This topic is in business also. In fact, many topics that you are going to study in economics, they are very much similar to business. So factor of production are technically it is land, capital, labor and enterprise. What is land? Natural resources. All the natural resources that is basically produced by nature, they are land. Any man-made resources, they are capital. For example, machinery, tools, anything. Labor, people who are working, who are producing things, men, women, anything. Anyone basically who are working and producing something, they are labor. Enterprise is a business know-how, entrepreneurs who are putting their efforts, skills to do the business, it's the enterprise. So factor of production is a combination of these four things, and in every business factor of productions are involved, at least 3 or maybe 2 or 4, but factor of production are always involved in every business. Our next topic that we are going to talk about today is production. What is production? Production is using inputs, resources to make output. What does it mean? What are inputs? Inputs are your land, labor and capital. It means you are going to take your land, labor and capital, you're going to process it, and then you're going to produce goods and services. Now, I'm going to give you one example. For example, you have oranges, okay, that is land because they are natural. Then you have labor. What is labor? Labor, it can be you, or maybe you have hired someone to make orange juice. And the capital, maybe the machinery or the knives by which you are cutting the oranges, or maybe juice extracting machinery, any machinery. So it's going to be capital. So once these three combine, entrepreneur decide what to produce and how to produce. It means that with these three things, these three factors of production, enterprise will also be involved, because you are thinking, the person who is doing the business, that person is thinking what is being produced and how is going to produce. So once all these things work together, goods and services are being produced. So what is basically production? When inputs are converted into outputs. And what are the inputs? Land, labor and capital, they are the inputs, okay, and with the help of enterprise it's going to be processed and it's going to turn into outputs. So this is the whole process of production. Let's move to the next topic. What is consumption? Consumption is using up goods and services, products to satisfy consumer needs and wants. It means whenever you are using up any goods and services and you are satisfying any of your needs and wants, it means it's consumption. Consuming anything is using any goods and services, it's called consumption. So for example, I am very hungry, I'm going to Big Mac, I'm going to get, let's say I'm going to McDonald's, I'm going to get a Big Mac, I'm going to eat it. So I was hungry, I got a product that was Big Mac from McDonald's, I satisfied my needs and wants, okay. Then we have the basic economic problem. What is the basic economic problem? The basic economic problem is when you have unlimited needs and wants, but you have limited resources. Let's say that your mom gave you 500 reals and you are going out. You have a lot of needs or wants right now because you are going out with your friends and it's been after many days, but your resources are limited. Money is limited. 500 real is limited. So you cannot get everything. You cannot eat everything. You cannot go for movie and the same time you can go for any concert. You need to make choice, right? In the same way, the economic problem arises when you have unlimited needs and wants. Everybody wants everything, many things, but the resources that are there to produce those things that are very limited. So this is the problem. Now, if you're going to talk about from government perspective or the individual business perspective, here what happens, that everybody wants something. People are demanding goods and services, but the resources they have, it's limited. They cannot produce everything for everyone. they need to make a choice that what products they are going to be producing. If you are going to talk about the businesses, mostly they would produce something that is very profitable. Okay, for example, if I want to start any business, I try to look for things that are getting high profits right now. And if you are going to see current scenario, if I'm going to start the business for sanitizers or maybe disinfectants, I'm going to get a good amount of money. But if I'm going to open any amusement park, I'm not going to get this good amount of money. So you are going, if you're going to talk about from the business perspective, if you are doing any business, it's profitable, you might do it. But if you're going to talk from government perspective, sometimes government try to see what is beneficial for people. Okay, so now for whom you're going to produce it? If you're a business, you might try to produce for people who are high income group, or maybe even you want to produce it for middle income group, or you want to produce it for teenagers, or maybe for parents or small kids. It depends. Okay, you cannot produce for everyone. The reason, again, you have limited resources. Okay, so because we have limited resources, we have unlimited wants, always we have to make a choice. And what's the choice? What you are going to be producing and how you are going to be producing. So this is the reason that the economic problem arises around the world, that people have many demands, they have many needs, many wants. Everybody wants water, everybody wants food, everybody have many needs and wants. But the things that are going to be produced, they are limited, because the resources that are being by which these things will be produced, that are also limited. We are done with today's lesson. We are going to discuss the same thing in the Zoom session. So if you have any queries, you can discuss. Thank you.